Alright, in this video we're going to create a image gallery page, which is obviously very popular for sites nowadays. And we're going to start with some sample images in Photoshop. I'm going to show you how I basically bring them down to size. These are full-size images, alright, and we're just using them for samples. So go to Image, click Image Size, make sure your resample and scale styles and constraint proportions are set. I use about 800 or to 1000 depending on the site. This one we're going to use 800. Save it, and we can go down to a 6 so they load a little quicker. Alright, and bear in mind we're down at 33%, so this is actually much bigger on the outside. Alright, so we got sample rate, image size, 800, and save, 6. Alright, so now we're done inside Photoshop, and I'm going to install a plugin so that we can use this to also tie in the plugin section. Alright, so we go to Extensions and Install. Oops, I'm logged out. There we go, Extensions, Install. Browse to our download file. We use something called Simple Image Gallery. Very powerful, very easy to use. Upload. Alright, and we're going to copy. Here we are. I'm going to copy our syntax. Alright, now that we have the syntax on the clipboard, we're going to go to Extensions, Plugin Manager, and we're going to go look for Simple Image Gallery. And there it is. I'm going to make sure that it's enabled, which it is. Some plugins, when you install them, will default to unenabled. So you want to make sure that they're always set to enabled. All right. I'm going to do a new article, and the section is going to be content, and we're going to be on slides. All right. I'm going to call this gallery, and we're going to use our syntax here. Alright, so basically this is going to assume that all your images are in the images/stories folder. Alright, so what we're going to do is create a new folder in there called gallery. Alright, and that's going to call any photos in the gallery folder inside images and stories, and it's going to automatically thumbnail them. And let me get my FileZilla clamp here. So once it reads that gallery folder the first time, it's going to create automatic thumbnails for it, and then it's going to put them in a folder called thumbs. There we go. And hook to my VPS here. Alright, go to our test site here, and we're going to images, stories, right click, create new directory called gallery, go into the gallery folder, and then over here, users, desktop, sample images, highlight them all, and drag them across. Alright, so while that's transferring, we're going to save the article, because that's really all we need. We can add some text later. And then we're going to add a spot for it in the main menu. Alright, so we'll click New Article, Standard Article Layout, select the article, and gallery is it. We'll call it gallery, and we'll click Save. Okay, and it looks like we're all good to go. They've been optimized pretty well. There's a few bigger size files in there, but that shouldn't be too bad. Alright, and we're going to hit refresh. There's our gallery. and there's our images. Okay. Perfectly browsed. Alright. Looks like they're a little large. Dimension wise they're okay, but they're not quite optimized. So maybe go to a 5 or a 6 on the quality scale so they load a little faster. But other than that, a really simple, really classy looking gallery. Very simple, very easy. And thanks for watching.